G'day, I'm Mark from Self-Sufficient Me, and welcome back to another How to Basic Fruit and Veg Growing Tips in just 2 minutes video. Today I'm going to answer the question, why do fruit trees drop their fruit? And what can we do about it? Let's get into it. There can be many different reasons why this happens, but in my opinion, the 4 main reasons why a fruit tree sheds its fruit are: number 1, lack of water is probably the main reason why a fruit tree will start dropping its fruit. You can imagine that, say, a citrus behind me, an imperial mandarin, if it's growing well and it's wanting to produce a lot of fruit and then it suddenly feels that it's not getting enough water, it's going to drop those fruit, or as many as it thinks it should, so that A, the tree can survive, and B, the remaining fruit have a chance to develop properly. So what you can do is you can give the tree extra water, especially if it's really dry, because dry weather obviously can stress trees out, and if they feel stressed, they may drop the fruit. Number 2, not enough nutrients. If a fruit tree hasn't got enough food for itself, it's not going to be able to produce much food. So make sure that your fruit tree is getting appropriate nutrients, as in fertilizer, and also trace elements. Number 3, pest and disease. If a bug or disease gets hold of the fruit tree is going to discard it. If the fruit starts to rot because it's been stung by a bug, well then the tree is going to drop it, because it's not going to try to develop something that's not going to grow to full size anyway and be able to reproduce. So what you need to do is rid the tree of those pests, and I like doing it the organic way. Just go over the tree, and whenever you find them, knock them off, stamp on them, put them in soapy water or drown them, or whatever you want to do. And the last point, number 4, is totally natural. You can see that this tree is absolutely chock-a-block with fruit. It knows it's got too much, and I don't mind that at all. I know we're still going to get plenty and a bountiful harvest anyway. So don't be too deterred if a tree has dropped some of its fruit, particularly if it has a lot of fruit still left on the tree. It's probably totally a natural thing to do. Well, I hope this helps. Let me know down in the comments section if it does, or if you've got any tips or other comments you'd like to make about why fruit trees drop fruit, whack them down there too. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video around, and give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.